Welcome aboard the Ridgewood School of Caloocan. It was established in 1998 and is located at Rainbow 5, Phase 2, Bagumbong, Caloocan City. Ridgewood School of Caloocan is headed by Dr. Joseph A. Swalog as Administrator, Dr. Maria Cecilia C. Swalog as Academic Director, and Dr. Adora G. Barnachea as the school principal. Ridgewood School of Caloocan is envisioned to be a prestigious academic arm in the country that provides academic excellence leading to global standards. Its mission: to promote integral formation of the youth, thus molding them into an enlightened and knowledgeable individuals in all aspects of life with global sensitivity. With this, it has produced various excellent students like Joanna Cassandra D. Limoso, 2024 Respiratory Licensure Examinee, top-notcher. Jairus A. Limpin, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, DOST Scholar, cum laude. Kiana S. Devila, cum laude, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, University of Santo Tomas. Ryan Christian M. Lazatin, TIP or Technological Institute of the Philippines, Electronics Engineering, Batch 2021-2022 with distinction. Awardee, Technological Institute of Technology. Mary Antoinette T. Madera, magna cum laude, Bachelor of Arts in Communication, and a lot more following their footsteps. Ridgewood School of Caloocan is jam-packed with facilities that provides our students to achieve academic excellence. Here is our multi-purpose hall, the mathematics laboratory class, our speech laboratory, and many others. Ridgewood School of Caloocan offers a senior high school with the following tracks and strands: GAS, or General Academic Strand; STEM, or Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics; ABM, or Accountancy and Business Management; HUMS, or Humanities and Social Sciences; ICT, and TVL. Ridgewood School of Caloocan, with all this, offers no top-up for public school completers and a start-up allowance upon enrollment and completion of all the requirements. The monetary allowance is given depending on the grade average of a student. Also, to support the academic excellence, modules per semester will be given for free, and the student will also be given one set of uniform and an RFID ID for the attendance. Senior High School of Ridgewood School of Caloocan offers various modalities approved by the Department of Education. We have the face-to-face, modular approach, and the blended learning approach for those who are working students. Ridgewood School of Caloocan introduces its set of modules for free for CAS, STEM, HUMS, ABM, technical vocational courses, and for the ICT courses or home economics. Good news! Ridgewood School of Caloocan Senior High School offers scholarships with the following qualifications. Number 1, you should be a grade 10 completer, which means you have graduated from grade 10 or you have completed your grade 10 from a public school or accelerated learning system or ALS or a PAYAC school who has not enrolled in any grade 11 schools before you applied to our scholarship program. Number 2, if you are a grade 12 transferee, how can you avail the same scholarship? You must be a grade 11 completer of or from a private school, but with a senior high school voucher. So take note of this. You can transfer from to grade 12 if you are a grade 11 completer from any private school with senior high school voucher. And what are the requirements? Number 1, you should have your report card or SF5 if you are an ALS completer for grade 10. Number 2, your PSA or the Philippine Statistics Authority birth certificate. Number 3, you have filled up the registration form of Ridgewood School of Caloocan and your certificate of good moral character. So I hope you will be joining Ridgewood School of Caloocan by all means. So if you are in Ridgewood School of Caloocan, every end of the school year, or you will be given or you will be recognized like this one. So we also conduct Recognition Day program for your batch. And of course, you have your graduation bearing or wearing the toga of the Ridgewood School of Caloocan with your sablay as your souvenir. Thank you, and I hope to see you in Ridgewood School of Caloocan, who are to produce 700 plus graduates for this school year 2022-2024. Thank you so much.